Hey developer, welcome back to another awesome video where I will show you the way you can get access of the intelligence model like Claude Sonnet, GLM, MiniMax, DeepSeek inside your OpenCode through OmniRouter totally free. OmniRouter itself mentions never stop coding, 268 providers, one endpoint, auto fallback, never hit limit, never stop building. Without even authentication, I will show you the way that you can get access of some intelligence model. In OmniRouter, you can connect nearly 25 providers without even authentication. OpenCode, Kiro didn't even require sign up. Some providers gives limited credit, some providers gives large amount of credit. After adding provider in OmniRouter, you don't need to source any way to get access of free model, and you never hit your limit as well. Give me your 15 to 20 minutes after here, then you never need to source for a model that you want to use it for free and unlimited. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, we have required two things, which is OmniRoute and OpenCode. I will provide all the external website link that I have used inside this video, okay? And I will also provide you the configuration file as well. I'll collect them all and I'll provide the instruction file link is in the video description. Okay, first things we have required OmniRoute, and second things that we have required OpenCode. Installation process is very easy. If you have not installed it, copy this command from here and paste it in your terminal. After that, verify does it install or not. If version will be reflected there, which confirm that it is successfully installed. Update will be available here. I'm going to update it. Until that, if you have not installed it, install it. Okay, after you have installed this both OpenCode and OmniRoute, then we are going to proceed from same stage. Until my update complete and until your installation complete, I'll give you the quick look of this website. What does it will mention? Never hit limits. Among these 268 provider, 90 plus are free provider which give you at least 100 plus model for free. How does it will make unlimited? It will collect the credit from each provider and combine it in one API, and it will automatically use it. If a single provider hit limit, it will automatically switch to next provider, and this process will be repeated in loop. That's why you never hit the limit. It will provide 1.6 billion token per month. Have you imagined it? And do you think you will complete this 1.6 billion token per month? If you want to use it in Claude Code, you can also achieve it. I have already make video about it. I'll also provide this video link is in the description. Today I'm going to integrate it inside OpenCode. OpenCode is currently favorite to most of the developer, where OpenCode Gen itself provide decent amount of token. Okay, here it will mention 1.4 billion free token per month, but this is not updated. If you can visit here in GitHub, it will mention 1.53 billion free token per month. OmniRoute update will be on the way to complete. Keep in mind, you also need to install Node. During Node installation, npm is automatically installed. You at least require 22.15 version Node. Okay, my current Node version will be 25.1. If higher, doesn't matter. If lower, it didn't support it. Finally, OmniRoute update is completed. Now I'm going to open it. Just type OmniRoute and press enter. It will be open from your terminal, where it will also provide base URL, and best part, it will host it locally. Where you need to use, first you need to open it in your terminal, which is hosted locally. After that, you can use it. Now we are going to sign up here. It will ask to provide a password, and default password will be provided here. Copy it from here, paste it here, and continue. Now you are ready to use. After you have added multiple provider, it look like this. This is the home screen. First I'll show you the provider list of provider available here. Currently 295 provider will be available here. Okay, among them 126 will be free provider. Have you imagined? 126 free provider. Without wasting time, I'm going to add some provider which don't even take authentication. Where it will show error here, I'm going to remove it. First provider that I'm going to add it, which is Kiro. In free plan, it will provide this model. If you want to test does this model is working or not, then you can also test it before adding this model. I'm going to test it. It will show that no one model is working here. Why? Because we have not connected it here. I'm going to connect. After that, I will also show you does it work or not. Among this all the method, I will prefer to choose AWS Builder ID. Select it. It will redirect you to the Amazon Web Service where you can get this code, and same code will be reflected here as well. You need to continue with your Google account where it will mention that didn't require the authentication, but it will ask, I don't know why. After you have authenticate, you can see the same code which is reflected here. Confirm and continue and allow access. Now you are ready to use. You can see connected. I will refresh it and again I will show you the test here. Now any model is working here or not. You can see Claude Sonnet 4.5 is working, Claude HiQ model is working, DeepSeek is working, MiniMax is working, MiniMax 2.5 is working, 2.1 is working, GLM 5 is working, and Coin is working. Currently, there are 7 model available in Kiro, in free plan, and all of these model are working. After Kiro, I'm going to add another provider which is OpenCode free. I'm sure that it didn't require authentication where I have already used it multiple times. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, no auth model. This is the open code free. If you want, you can easily search any provider. Add, complete it. That's it. Auto sync. Okay, free only. Test. Currently, only 2 model will be freely available in open code. Among them, both are working. Okay. Then, if you want, you can easily search it from here as well. Just like NVIDIA. You can also connect NVIDIA as well. We are already connecting 2 model. You can see 2 model will be added and open code free will be added recently. Both model are active here. Now our task is completed in OmniRoute. Only one required, which is creating API key. Take a times and add as much provider as you can. I have already shown you some of provider didn't even require authentication. Currently 9 provider will be available here which not require authentication as well. Take a time and add as much provider as you can, then your limit is never expire. Now I'm going to create API key. I'll delete this API key that I have already created and I'll show you how you can create your API key for the first time. Create your first API key, give any name. I'll give open code free and I'll create API key from here. This is the API key and this is the base URL. After you have getting your API key and base URL, you are ready to use. After successfully creating API key, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to provide it here. Don't worry, I'll give this all instruction file. Sometime later, I'll mention why we have required this as well. I'll close this pop-up menu. Last, I'm going to provider again, free tier, and first I'll show you the test mode. Does it work or not? First, I'm going to select Claude Sonnet 5. I know it is not working, but I will show you. Hi, it is not working. Now, I am going to test this Claude Sonnet 4.5. Hi, you can see this model is working perfectly. Before using it, you can also test this model here as well. This is the way of testing. After this all, we are ready to integrate this model in our open code. I'm going to open my new terminal. Keep in mind, OmniRoute need to be open in your background to use it. This is my new terminal and I will start open code. This is the pre-model which is provided by OpenCode Zen. I'm not going on this part. After that, I'm going to copy my API base URL. Copy it and I will provide it here in my base URL section. Paste it. I'll prepare this prompt here to make our tasks easy, and I'll also provide this prompt to you as well. Copy this and paste it here in OpenCode. Rest it will do it. I'm going to wait until it will mention everything will be done here. It will read this file and done. After you have modified this all, first close your terminal and refresh your OpenCode. OpenCode models refresh. it will refresh all the model. Let's see edit model will be reflected here or not. You can see OmniRoute Auto, OmniRoute Cheap, OmniRoute Coding, OmniRoute Fast model will be reflected here. Why I have give this name means it will automatically use the working model. If you use auto, if you use cheap, then it will automatically choose the cheapest model which takes very less amount of credit. After that, I am going to start OpenCode. OpenCode is started slash models. I'm going to search for OmniRoute. See, this is the list of provider which is available in OmniRoute. I'm going to select this auto, and after this, let's see does it work or not. You can see it is working perfectly, means our configuration part is working. During video start, I'll show you the intelligence model. In auto section, we don't know which model it is currently using is in the background. Here I'll source Kiro. I'll select it in free only. I'm going to test it again. See this response time, some model will be and working, you feel this is too much. Sometime it will not working my as well. Internet speed. Currently, it will takes little bit Claude more time. 4.5 is working perfectly. Now I'll show you by using this model. I will copy this provider from here and I will edit it. Okay, paste it here. We have required the name. You can provide any display name which is not matter, but I'm going to provide same name as model name. Copy and paste it here. I'm going to copy it here and paste it, and I will add another provider from OpenCode which we have added. OpenCode, during testing DeepSeek is working perfectly. That's why I'm going to add this model here, Kiro. Okay, and I'll copy this all. Again, I'll give same prompt to OpenCode which will be set up everything that will be required. You didn't need to do it manually. We'll give the task to agent. It will mention done. You need to quit and restart OpenCode for the configuration. I'm going to quit it, type Ctrl+C twice, and I will refresh the model here. OpenCode model refresh, where this model need to be reflected here in OmniRoute. You can see model will be reflected, and now I'm going to start OpenCode where auto model is already working and we have tested. Now I'm going to select Claude Sonnet. Claude Sonnet from OmniRoute, not from other provider. You can see Claude Sonnet will be available on some other provider, but this is paid. From OmniRoute it is free. Are you available? You can see it is working perfectly. You can see it will respond in 5 seconds. Sometime internet is working slowly, that's why it will takes more time. If internet is working perfectly, then it will respond quickly. You can see Claude Sonnet through Kiro. We have used Claude Sonnet. I'll show you the list of model which is provided by OmniRoute. OmniRoute. This is the list of model provided by OmniRoute Auto, which is automatically select the available and working model, cheapest model which takes little bit less token, and coding compatible model, fast model. If you want, you can also select any specific model, where we have choose this model from Kiro and this model is from OpenCode free. This is the way that you can configure OmniRoute in your OpenCode and easily use it. You everyone know that you can use it in your Visual Studio Code as well through the OpenCode extension. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. I will provide all the instruction link is in the video description. Okay, bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.